There's no other way around it. If success is the result that you are ultimately seeking, you must be obsessed with the process. You have to time let fear, doubt, failure, quit, negative thought, or give up enter into your mental. So you have massive potential. So from the moment you open your eyes in the morning, your mindset has to be meaning winning that particular morning and carrying that winner's mentality with you as you enter your classroom. So what the person to the left of you is pessimistic. So what the person to the right of you is zone out. You can only be concerned with the staying locked in because you refuse to let the air of your classmate or classroom enter into your mental space. See, this space is one, but the one that can distance him or herself from the rest of the pig. And those are facts. So I need you to realize that there will be bad days. There will be times that you feel like you have no earthly ideas what your teacher or professor is talking about. But what you will never ever do is throw a pity party. What you will never ever do is tap out. What you will never ever do is concede and throw in the towel. What you will do is knock on his or her door and say, listen, I only have one option, and that is success is your class. But right now I'm confused about the lesson you told today. And I need clarity, and I need it now. I guarantee that if you are passionate about wanting to achieve success in that class, he or she will bend over backward to help you. But if you settle for mediocrity and never say anything, you are setting yourself up to fail. And failure, my friend, is not your DNA. I promise you not the first person to question whether or not they have what it takes to achieve at high level. I promise you not the first person to feel like they are underperforming. I promise you not the first person to feel like their brain is about to explode. Listen to me. Those that can push through, no matter what storm arrives, are in the small minority. The small percentile of those that ultimately break through and makes their goals and dreams a reality. So the reality is this: you are born with everything you need to pass every class. With flying colors, you are born with everything you need to overcome the anxiety that may pop up from the time to time a mission to roll your lifelong hopes, dreams, and aspirations. See, my favorite acronym is HWPO. Just in case you forget, or just in case you don't know, that means hard work pays off. So winners like us never lose focus, and we horrified and petrified whenever someone tries to tell us to take the easy route, because we already know there's no easy route, because if it were easy, everyone do it. So we avoid that ignorance and get back to our grind to studying harder than we ever studied before, because we understand that you get out of it what you put into it. So we pour heart and soul into our homework. We pour heart and soul into studying for exam. That way we sleep like a baby, because we know in our heart of hearts that we have put every ounce of our being into our work, and therefore success is foregone conclusion. Listen to me. What if, after all of the hard work, after all of the studying, after all of the blood, sweat and tears, you still fail? You need to believe and never forget this. You never fail, you never lose, you only learn. See, life will knock the mess out of you when you least expect it. It's a part of the process. See, that's when you have to tell yourself, because of the setback I'm stronger, because of the setback I'm wiser, because of the setback I'm smarter, and because of the setback I'm hungrier than ever. So I say all of this as a friendly reminder. You got this. You're born to the spectacular. So I need you to jump over the obstacle. I need you to go around the pitfalls. And I need you to push through the adversity, because that dominant volcano of success that's living inside you is just waiting for you to grant permission for it to erupt.